Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I want to show you the correct way to convert a photo to black and white. Now what I mean by the correct way is that a lot of people actually will come in to Lightroom or Photoshop, and for this example Photoshop, they will come over here, and even though there is a black and white adjustment layer right here, they will actually go to hue saturation and back the saturation down all the way. Now obviously this does convert it to black and white, that's no big deal here, but we want to have a little bit more adjustment over the photo, and we really can't do much without adding a whole bunch of different layers like selective color and all of that. So the correct way, or the best way to actually convert a photo to black and white, is actually to use the black and white adjustment layer. And the reason for this is because you can see over here in the properties panel, we have a lot of different adjustments that we can make to the colors. Even though this is a black and white, we are still able to affect the colors underneath the black and white adjustment layer. So for this one, I kind of want to make it more of like a high key image. So the blue sky that was over here and over here, I want to get rid of that and make it all white and just kind of have this structure stand out. So the way we can do that is go down to the blue, because the sky is naturally blue. We can take the blue and start bumping it up to where it's more white. Now we can probably do the same with the cyan and make that a little bit more white. So now we have almost a pure white sky here. And this is kind of the effect we were going for. If we use the hue saturation, we would not be able to do this. We would have to cut out the structure and make a separate layer and put a white background behind it. That's just too much work. You can easily do that with the black and white adjustment layer. So we can still affect the colors. So the reds here, we can change that and make it more of a high contrast here. Still play with these, and you can see that we're affecting the colors even though this is a black and white image. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to do black and white photos the right way. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.